Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your PIN on the Cash App application. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Cash App application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to use your credentials to log in. After logging into your account, you will be taken into the home page. If you have already logged in before, you might be asked to use your PIN code or your biometric. So use either one of those and you will be logged into your account. After logging in, if you wish to change your active PIN code, then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. From the profile icon, scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Now from this page, underneath Security, you will find the Change Cash PIN option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked to enter your current PIN. Just type in your current PIN and now you will be asked to enter the new PIN that you wish to use for your account. Type in your new PIN and you will be asked to type it in once again. After typing your new PIN for the second time, your PIN will successfully be changed. And from this page, you can also set what kind of reasons you want the application to ask PINs for. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your login PIN within your Cash App account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.